Best 2D and 3D CAD software for engineering computer-aided design or CAD software is used by designers and engineers to build two- and three-dimensional models of actual components. CAD software has almost completely replaced the T-squares and protractors used by yesterday's designers in a process known as manual drafting, the conventional pencil-on-paper method of engineering and design. What is CAD? Computer-aided design is digitally creating 2D drawings and 3D models of real-world things before they are made. With 3D CAD, you can easily exchange, evaluate, simulate, and change designs, paving the way for unique and differentiated goods to reach the market quickly. What are the types of CAD? 2D CAD and 3D CAD are broad categories of various types of CAD, and CAD with CAE, computer-aided engineering, and CM, computer-aided manufacturing. Software Elements is now the standard. CAD is widely used in combination with computerized industrial processes. For example, CAD/CM software, computer-aided design/computer-aided manufacturing, is used to create electrical circuit boards in computers and other devices. Who uses CAD? Computer-aided design is using in many different professions. CAD software is widely used in architectural, arts, and engineering applications. It also use cases are industry and job function specific. CAD tool users include, but are not limited to, the following professions: architects, animation illustrators, city planners, drafters, engineers, exterior designers, fashion designers, graphic designers, game designers, interior designers, industrial designers, manufacturers, product designers. Best 2D and 3D CAD software in 2026. A variety of CAD tools are available to designers and engineers. Some CAD software are designed for specific use cases and sectors, such as industrial design or architecture. Other CAD software products support a wide range of industries and project types. Some commonly used CAD tools are: 1. AutoCAD is a 2D and 3D design and drafting platform that includes 2D drafting, drawing, annotation tools, 3D modeling, and visualization technologies for architects, engineers, construction professionals, field workers, and contractors. AutoCAD now allows users to view, create, edit, and share drawings on the move through any smartphone or tablet using native iOS and Android mobile apps. If you are looking for the best CAD software, architects, engineers, and construction professionals use AutoCAD. Point 2. MATLAB is a programming and numerical computing platform that allows corporations and educational institutions to design models, develop algorithms, and analyze data sets, among other things. In addition, professionals may use the Live Editor to develop scripts and add hyperlinks, graphics, and headers to code. MATLAB applications explain how various algorithms interact with your data. Iterate until you achieve the desired results. Then automatically write a MATLAB program to replicate or automate your work. It is among the most excellent CAD software. Point 3. SolidWorks Premium. SolidWorks Premium is the industry's top 3D design solution. It combines sophisticated design tools, such as industry-leading components, assembly, and drawing capabilities, with simulation, rendering, animation, product data management, and cost prediction. It is a top CAD software because SolidWorks Professional develops the capabilities of SolidWorks Standard with ECAD/MCAD collaboration, automated cost estimation, collaboration capabilities, design and drawing checking, an advanced components and parts library, and advanced photorealistic rendering. Point 4. Onshape is a 3D CAD software for agile design and engineering teams that includes full capabilities for modeling components and assemblies and preparing production drawings. In addition, the built-in version control and collaboration facilities allow several users to work on the same data without overriding each other's updates, enabling job execution in parallel to shorten design cycles. Point 5. Inventor is a 3D CAD program for Windows that aids in 3D modeling with mechanical design, documentation, and product simulation capabilities. As a result, professionals may build bespoke layouts and automate repetitive activities. Design and optimize performance by using 3D solid modeling and simulation tools. It is the best CAD software on the market since it quickly creates customized configurations of your drawings and automates routine chores. Connect your designs to incoming client data and collaborate on ideas in a safe cloud-based service. Point 6. AutoCAD LT AutoCAD LT 2D drafting software assists you in creating, editing, and sharing 2D drawings. It is best for small design teams in the construction, architectural, engineering, and manufacturing industries. Point 7. CAD Acacia is a cloud-based and on-premise product modeling software that assists organizations in several industries, including architecture, aviation, consumer packaged goods, transportation, and construction, in designing, building, and visualizing 3D models. Among the features are team collaboration, simulation, visual scripting, and real-time concurrent designing. CAD is the world's most used CAD software for product design and experience. Point 8. Fusion 360 Fusion 360 is a 3D CAD, CM, and CAE tool that integrates industrial and mechanical design, simulation, collaboration, and machining to connect the complete product development process in a single, integrated tool set. Visit the top CAD software website to get answers to your questions, discuss your existing company demands, and understand how Fusion 360 may help you reach your objectives. Point 9. ANSYS SpaceClaim ANSYS is a 3D design and engineering simulation program that businesses may use in various industries, including automotive, aircraft, construction, energy, healthcare, military, chemical processing, and consumer products. This CAD software assists enterprises in managing workflow automation, predictive analysis, simulation visualization, application modification, and product testing processes. Point 10. Algebra Design is a CAD software that helps organizations automate 3D modeling, scripting, rendering, surfacing, 2D documentation, and publication procedures. In addition, mechanical engineers may use the program to produce production drawings and 3D designs for product development. CAD software is now widely used for industrial products, animation movies, and other purposes. Professional design renderings are often printed using a specialized printer or plotter. Vector graphics or raster graphics are used in CAD systems to demonstrate how an object will appear. There is an increasing need for CAD software as more organizations, if not all, resort to CAD/CAE/CAM to improve productivity, accuracy, and product time to market. AutoCAD, Dassault Systems, and Altair are among the industry leaders in this field. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe Digital Magazine YouTube channel. For more details, you can also check out our website www.digitalmagazine.org.